In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to Canva. Adding GIFs can enhance your designs and make your projects more engaging. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Canva. You can use any browser you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you type in Canva in the search bar, you will see a list of results. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything we will do next. You want to ensure you are heading to the official Canva website. Next, click on the correct link that directs you to the Canva homepage. Look for the link that clearly states Canva Graphic Design Video Collage Logo Maker. This link usually appears at the top of the search results. Clicking the right link is important because it ensures you are accessing the legitimate site where all the exciting design tools are found. Now it's time to log into your Canva account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If you are new to Canva, you can create an account quickly using your email or social media profiles. Logging in gives you access to all your previous designs and the tools necessary for creating new ones. This step is essential as it personalizes your experience. With that done, click the Apps tab on the left-hand toolbar. This tab is typically located beneath your recent projects. It houses various integrations that enhance your Canva experience. By selecting this tab, you are essentially opening up a world of new features and options. You'll find different apps that can streamline your design process and add unique elements to your creations. Next, type GIPHY or Tenor into the app's search bar. Both of these platforms are popular for hosting animated GIFs. Typing in the name of either app allows you to find the right tool quickly. This step saves you time and helps you navigate directly to where you can add fun animations to your designs. After that, select the app and grant permission to connect it to your account if prompted. This process usually involves a simple authorization step. Granting permission is important because it allows Canva to access the GIFs from these platforms. You want to ensure that you have the proper access to utilize all the GIFs available. Now search for keywords in the search box to find the animated clip you want. You can enter themes, emotions, or specific items that relate to your project. This step is vital because it helps you find exactly what you need. Using relevant keywords will yield better results, making your search more efficient. Finally, click the GIF to immediately insert it into your active design layout. Once you click on a GIF, it will be automatically added to your canvas. Seeing the GIF in your design can be very rewarding. It not only enhances your project but also brings your ideas to life. By following these steps, you can easily add GIFs to your Canva designs. It's a straightforward process that allows for creativity and fun. Enjoy creating with your new animated elements.